Hello dear student, my name is RJ Yadav from Mechanical Department of GIMS Engineering College, Greater Noida. Here I am going to deliver the lecture of automobile. As previous we have discussed about the 6th lecture, it's my 7th lecture. In the 7th lecture we will discuss about the torque converter. Okay, what is the torque converter and what is the use of torque converter in your automobile? Okay, let's start. First we have to discuss about the introduction of the torque converter. What is actually a torque converter? As you see, the name suggests. Here the two words means one is the torque and other is the converter. Means a device which actually convert the torque, means which accelerate actually torque. A torque converter is a type of fluid coupling. Okay, it is a type of fluid coupling. Now the basic thing is arise in our mind is what is the fluid coupling. Actually the fluid coupling is a device, or you can say it as a hydraulic unit that replaces a clutch used in semi or fully automatic transmission system. It acts as a automatic clutch and it transmits the engine torque to the transmission system. It is also called fluid flywheel or fluid device. Okay, it one thing more, the fluid coupling has no mechanical connection or face to face contact. It have two rotating elements in the fluid coupling. One is the pump impeller and other is turbine runner. Okay, on the base of these two part your fluid coupling is working. Now come on the topic, actually what is the torque converter? Yes, coupling which is used to transfer the rotating power from the engine of a vehicle to the transmissions. It takes place of the mechanical clutch in an automatic transmission. Here we have also see that the function of the torque converter. The torque converter is we can say that it is a hydraulic device used to transmit, increase or decrease power from one shaft to another. Okay, here it has same function as the clutch in manual transmission, as the clutch separates the engine from the load when it stops. In the same way it also isolate the engine from load and keep the engine running when vehicle stop. Here I have point out the main functions, means it transmit the power from engine to transmission input shaft. It drive the front pump of the transmission. It isolate the engine from the load when the vehicle is stationary. It multiplies the torque of the engine and the transmit it to the transmission. It almost doubles the output torque. Okay, this is the diagram of the torque converter. Here the basic component of the torque converter, you see this one is the flywheel which is connected to the engine. This portion is the turbine, and here the pump. In between the turbine and pump you see the stator are associated. Pump is the fix to the housing. Okay, these are the shaft, actually these are the different shaft. One shaft is the turbine output shaft. This one in green color, you see, it is the turbine output shaft connect to the transmission. Here the connection is for the transmission, and this one is the starter output shaft connect to the fluid shaft. Okay, and here one thing, you see the torque converter housing. These are the black line. I am showing it a black. This is the housing. This is all about the component which are actually used in your torque converter. See, this one is the pump or impeller. Let's start. What is the pump or impeller, and what is the function, and how it is known? Yes, the impeller is connected to the housing, and the housing connected to the engine shaft. Okay, it has curved and angle vanes. It is actually connected, coupled to the driving shaft. Okay, it rotates with the engine speeds and consists of automatic transmission fluid. When it rotates with the engine, the centrifugal force makes the fluid move outward. You know, when the centrifugal force act on any particular things, always the things are trying to move outward side. The blade of the impeller and designed in such a way that it directs the fluid toward the turbine blades. Okay, it acts as a centrifugal pump which suck the fluid from the automatic transmission and delivered it to the turbine. Okay, actually these all units are the enclosed in a single casing that is filled with an oil. The choice of particular oil depends on the lubricating power and stability and the availability. Okay, and the fluid is flowing from pump impeller to the turbine runner. When these fluid are flowing from pump to the impeller, it exerts a torque on the stationary vane, and the vane changes the direction of flow of oil, thereby making a possible a torque and the speed transformation. Okay, now the second part of this torque converter is the stator. The stator is located in between the impeller and the turbine, as see in the diagram. Yes, here stator, which is located in between the pump and the turbine. Okay, what is the function? The main function of the stator is to give the direction to the returning fluid from the turbine, so that the fluid enter to the impeller in the direction of its rotation. As the fluid enter in the direction of the impeller, it actually the multiplies the torque, means your torque become double. So the stator help in torque multiplication by changing the direction of the fluid. And here one thing also you can see that the stator also allow fluid to enter in the direction of the impeller rotations. Okay, the stator change the direction of the fluid almost up to 90 degree. The stator is mounted with a one way such that the that allow the rotating it in one direction and preventing its rotation in other direction. Here you can also see one thing in the diagram, that the 1 minute, yes, in the diagram you can see also the stator is associated with the pump and the turbine, and it is in between the pump and turbine actually, and it convert the direction of the fluid, returning fluid. Okay, now, yes, after the returning the fluid, what will happen? Yes, it rotate in one direction and preventing the fluid from flowing outside. Turbine is connected to the transmission system of the vehicle, and the stator is placed, as I told you, stator is placed in between the impeller and turbine. These are the main function of the stator.